GEN stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Gen Digital stock, we're sitting at $23.39, 15% off for the day. I'm gonna go to the weekly or the monthly chart, and just observe over the higher time frame. Because have I made any videos on this thing previously? I don't think so. Yeah, I haven't made nothing. But from a first glance, this is a good bullish momentum, and I love to see it even from a higher time frame perspective. So I'm going to mark out the highs. Let's go here, daily or the weekly. Okay, here that makes a lot of sense. I myself am still pretty bullish, but there is a catch. I wouldn't just buy like right off the bat. The only way that I would buy is simple. If the price pulls back and gives me like the rules in my demand zone, which is a simple double break, then and only then I will pull the trigger up to the highs. So I'm just gonna put this wait sign here, put a exclamation mark. So yeah, obviously not financial advice. If you want to learn my strategy for absolutely free, I'll see you in the next video and check out the first link in the description. See ya.